Come on outside with me, y'all, as we smoke these St. Louis ribs straight through. No wrap over an open fire. Let's do this. Baby, look, you and picked up some ribs. You was on sale, $2.88 a pound. $8.67 for some St. Louis ribs. It's summertime. And y'all know what that is? It's rib time. And I know everybody want to do some ribs for the summer holiday. Got America's birthday coming up. Yeah. All right, baby, I see you. You picked out some decent ones.
Thank you.
Send it to the store, y'all. She came back right. We ain't gonna do too much to these, y'all. We ain't gonna make it complicated. This one look good already, y'all. I ain't gotta do nothing to that one. Gonna leave that one to the side. This one here, we gotta do a little work. All right, let's check it out, baby. And we're gonna go here. We want these to be kind of like uniform. Take that off. That's a little bit too small there on them ends. Be a little smaller than the other one, but that's okay. Then on this one here, I can take this end off here. Yeah. All right. So we're not taking off no mint brain. Quick score. Plus, that looked pretty slick right there. That way it somewhat matches up, you know. Hey, we just in the backyard, doing something a little for ourselves today. That's it. So this is gonna go into our every weekend world-class backyard barbecue rub. So this rub just gonna be real quick for 2 racks of ribs. So I'm going with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Diamond Crystal kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder,
Powder.
2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Let's do 1 teaspoon black pepper. Let's do 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to do roughly a half teaspoon of coriander. And guess what, y'all? Let's go with our rub here, y'all. Boom. We can go ahead, cover it up. Baby, it feels good too, this rub. Go ahead and get side 2. Smell pretty good, don't it? Looks like we're gonna have something left over. Y'all know we gotta get them sides. So we're gonna let these hang out for a while. Gonna go out here, get the smoker going. Stay tuned. So we're going with Kingfisher Pro Charcoal. We're doing open fire, so just need just a little charcoal pretty much to spread throughout the brassica on the first layer here. And what I'm using to get this fire started, we're gonna use the Duraflame fire starts here. These things are extremely easy and simple to use. Leaving aside the plastic and everything. Bam, like that, y'all. It don't get no easier than that. And so for the woods today, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and use 2. We're gonna go do a fusion of what I call it. So I got some hickory wood and some apple wood. So that's gonna be all good. Got these babies ready to go. Right now, we up to 200 degrees, so we're gonna go ahead and throw them on there now. So we're gonna probably rock out between 250 and 275. Let's bunch up our ribs here. Get them shaped up real nice. So let's just let this go for about an hour and a half like this. We go ahead and flip it to the other side, and we gonna see what it do. All right. Smooth and groove. We rocking at 250 degrees. Y'all saw it? Oh yeah, look at that, man. All right. And let's go ahead and flip it over. Let's see how we looking. That's rib there. That's rib there, boy. These now this the ribs your grandfather used to cook, and I am of that grandfather's age right now, so that would be me. Oh, that looks good. So they've been on there 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. So we're just gonna probably go for another hour. We'll see. We just gonna keep playing it by ear. All right, keep on cooking. All right, one more hour, 2.5 hours total. That is looking official there. I like the way that's looking. Still got moisture going. Ooh, all right, all right. We still got color, everything. All right, let me just give it a little spritz on this side. I just have just some vinegar and water. There we go. Spritzing now, baby. We just gonna keep letting this roll. All right, one more hour, 2.5 hours in. So starting to get a little pullback right here, huh? So yeah, they cooking this one. Well, we know this one's gonna be done first. This one over here. Yeah. Show them that pullback, baby. Show them that pullback. Yeah, get over here. See y'all back in one more hour. All right. So 1 hour. Let's take a look. See. Still moist. Ooh, that feel probe tender. Oh, that's gonna fall off the bone there. 212. Let's go ahead and take them off, y'all. Feel good. See, that's why I kept that membrane on. We didn't wrap it all. We just put it in the foil now. And put some of my little glaze on there. It's not a sauce. This is a glaze. I just let it rest, and I'm gonna get on up inside and tear these up. Mm-mm. These been resting a while. I like the way they hold though. Okay, they curving this way. Fall off,
fell out.
fall off the bone. All right, all right. All right, that bone it just get ready to pop out. But you know what, baby?
What's that?
Let's go for it.
Go for it. Ooh. I want some.
Melting in your mouth. This is crazy because we didn't wrap it or nothing.
Stop teasing me.
Woo! I just want to just eat this whole rack, boy.
Alright.
But check this out. Y'all saw how it was done. Open fire, no wrap, just like your grandfather would do. Keeping the heritage. All right. Catch y'all on the next one. Get on outside. Do all that smoking you can. All right. Peace.